Welcome to my lecture on dilations. We're going to look at enlargements and reductions. If you'd like to follow me daily, like my subscribers do, you're welcome to become a subscriber. You can just press subscribe below and you can catch up on all missed lectures on my YouTube channel. There are over almost 300 lectures already waiting there, from grade 1 all the way to senior school. Welcome aboard. Right, a dilation. Dilation involves enlargements and reductions. In other words, things that get bigger and images that get smaller. Now, the image figure and the original figure are similar. Now, we've discussed similar shapes already in our previous lectures where we use proportion to find out unknown lengths, and that means that they are in proportion to one another. Now, enlargement scales are greater than 1. So if your scale is greater than 1, it means your image is an enlargement. Okay. And then a reduction is less than 1. So anything that's less than 1 means that your image is coming down in size. It's a reduction. So let's work with two examples. Let's look at the first one. So if the scale factor is a half, that's less than 1. It means that the image is a reduction. So the image is going from big to small. Okay. If the scale factor is 2, that's greater than 1, then the image is an enlargement. So it's going from small to big. Right, now let's look at them. Yeah, we have 2. We have ABC and we have image ABC. Okay. So we're going to use our little formula now to see, is it a reduction or is it an enlargement? We can see with our eyes what's happened, but we need to prove it mathematically. So our formula is image over original is equal to our scale factor. Now remember, our scale factor, if it's greater than 1, it's an enlargement. If it's less than 1, it is actually a reduction. So let's put them over each other, side for side. So we're going to take this side over that side, 4 over 8. And we did the image over the original, and we see that comes to a half. Now that's less than 1. So actually our image is a reduction, and we can see it because here it is, it's small. So our image is a reduction, so therefore the image of triangle ABC is a reduction. Okay, easy as that. Let's look at an enlargement. So remember, you can see our image is bigger. This is the image on the outside and the original's on the inside. So we know it's going to come to that, but we need to prove it mathematically. We use our formula, image over original. So you go find your coordinates. If you're on the coordinate plane, you use those instead. Here I'm just using the blocks because I've got block paper and it's just a very rudimentary way of explaining it. Image over original. So let's use a side for side. We'll take this 4 over this 2. Right, so we've got 4 over 2, and we're going to find out what our scale factor is. 2 can go into 4 twice, which means it's bigger than 1, which means it's an enlargement. So therefore, image ABCD is an enlargement. Okay, you can see the image is the bigger one. Here it is here. So you can prove it using your scale factor, and that's the formula that you use. So I hope this has made it clear to you, and I'll see you in tomorrow's lecture.